off the roof!
What are you doing?
Oh my god, did he just... Oh, that was a lady! It was a lady! It was a... Oh god, it was a lady!
And I exploded with...
Whoa.
Please, no!
Get off the roof!
orgasm happiness.
Oh my gosh.
What is that? Oh my god. Earthquake! Oh my...
What are you doing on the roof? Get off the roof! Ah! Ah! Get off the roof! Oh. Oh, I'm sorry about your boyfriend.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
What are you doing with that?
Let me see your ugly ass face.
It would have hit me. It was really close.
Hey, yo, Ma, can I have your number?
No, you can't! Get away from me, please! Ah!
What are you doing with that?
Earthquake! Earthquake! Lady, come back!